Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to put your iPhone's camera into the night mode in your iPhone 17 Pro. So, as you can see, here we have our iPhone. And firstly we need to open the camera over here. Now, we don't have actually to do anything. It's because as you can see, when I turn off my lights, here we have this moon icon with the seconds. And now, so that I can see something, I need to lower my brightness and turn off again. Here, now if we tap this moon icon, we can enable the night mode as auto or off. If we hold our finger on it, we can see night mode, auto, maximum 1 second or off. You set it to maximum, I can set it as you can see to the 30 seconds. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on this video. It's really important to us to have your feedback. Goodbye!